combat experience and constant innovation helped Israel develop weapons that set new standards in modern warfare. Today, we will present some of the most important systems in Israel's military arsenal. Let's begin. Stealth fighters, air dominance. F-35I Adir, the mighty one, Israel 2017 to present. The F-35I Adir represents Israel's customized F-35A stealth fighter, with unique Israeli electronic warfare systems and weapons integration. The aircraft weighs 29,300 pounds empty with maximum takeoff weight of 70,000 pounds. Powered by a Pratt & Whitney F-135 engine producing 43,000 pounds of thrust, providing Mach 1.6 speeds and 670 miles combat radius. The Adir incorporates Israeli conformal fuel tanks extending range for strikes into Iran and integrates indigenous spice precision-guided bombs and potentially nuclear-capable munitions. The radar cross-section smaller than a golf ball allows penetration of heavily defended airspace. Israel has used F-35I aircraft in combat operations against Iranian targets in Syria. Israel ordered 50 F-35I aircraft, making it the largest operator outside the United States. Strengths include stealth, allowing penetration of advanced air defenses, Israeli customized systems, and range to Iran, while weaknesses are cost exceeding $100 million per aircraft and dependence on American supply chain. F-15I Ra'am. The Thunder, Israel 1998 to present. The F-15I Ra'am represents Israel's customized F-15E Strike Eagle, with Israeli avionics and weapons integration. The aircraft weighs 31,700 pounds empty with maximum takeoff weight of 81,000 pounds. Powered by two Pratt & Whitney F-100 engines producing 29,000 pounds of thrust each, providing Mach 2.5 speeds and 690 miles combat radius. The Ra'am carries up to 23,000 pounds of weapons, including Israeli-developed munitions and potentially nuclear weapons. Israel has employed F-15I aircraft in hundreds of combat missions in Syria, Lebanon, Iraq, and potentially Iran, and Israeli pilots have achieved air-to-air kills against Syrian and Iranian-operated aircraft. Israel operates 25 F-15I aircraft, forming the backbone of long-range strike capability. Strengths include heavy weapons payload, proven combat effectiveness, and long range, while weaknesses are lack of stealth and aging airframe requiring increased maintenance. Air defense. The Shield. Arrow 3 Exo-atmospheric interceptor, Israel 2017 to present. Arrow 3 intercepts long-range ballistic missiles outside Earth's atmosphere at altitudes exceeding 62 miles using kinetic energy to destroy incoming warheads. The interceptor weighs 4,850 pounds with two-stage solid rocket motors and uses hit-to-kill technology where the interceptor physically collides with the target. Arrow 3 was developed jointly by Israel Aerospace Industries and American Boeing. The system successfully intercepted a ballistic missile fired by Houthi forces from Yemen in 2022, marking the first confirmed operational exo-atmospheric interception outside American testing. Israel deployed multiple Arrow 3 batteries, providing layered defense with David's Sling and Iron Dome. Strengths include exo-atmospheric interception preventing nuclear or chemical warhead effects and proven combat effectiveness, while weaknesses are cost exceeding $2 million per interceptor and vulnerability to saturation attacks. David's Sling medium-range defense, Israel 2017 to present. David's Sling provides mid-tier air defense against medium-range ballistic missiles, cruise missiles, and aircraft. The Stunner interceptor weighs 1,000 pounds with dual-pulse rocket motor, combining radar and electro-optical guidance, with maximum range exceeding 185 miles and interception altitudes from 3 to 9 miles. Developed jointly by Rafael Advanced Defense Systems and American Raytheon, David's Sling engages targets Iron Dome cannot reach while providing more cost-effective interception than Arrow 3. Strengths include versatile engagement capability and filling critical capability gap, while weaknesses are cost around $1 million per interceptor and complexity requiring extensive training. Iron Beam laser defense, Israel development ongoing. Iron Beam uses high-powered lasers generating 100 to 150 kilowatts to destroy incoming rockets, mortars, drones, and cruise missiles. The laser operates silently without explosive munitions and focuses on targets for several seconds, heating and destroying guidance systems or structural components. Israel conducted successful tests demonstrating Iron Beam can destroy drones, rockets, and mortar shells. The Israeli military plans deployment in the mid-2020s. Strengths include extremely low cost per shot, unlimited magazine depth, and silent operation, while weaknesses are limited range, weather sensitivity, and improving combat effectiveness. Precision strike missiles, offensive reach. Rampage Supersonic Strike Israel 2019 to present. Rampage provides standoff capability to destroy high-value targets from ranges exceeding 155 miles. The missile weighs 1,200 pounds, carrying a 300-pound penetrating warhead with solid rocket motor providing Mach 3 speeds, and GPS guidance provides accuracy within 30 feet. Rampage was designed for suppression of enemy air defenses missions. Israel has employed Rampage missiles against Syrian and Iranian targets, and the combination of speed, range, and accuracy makes interception extremely difficult. Strengths include supersonic speed complicating interception, standoff range, and proven combat employment, while weaknesses are high cost and relatively short range compared to cruise missiles. LoRa Long-Range Artillery Israel 2006 to present. LoRa provides precise tactical strike capability with range exceeding 248 miles from land-based or naval platforms. The missile weighs 3,300 pounds, carrying a 1,320-pound warhead, with GPS guidance providing accuracy within 30 feet. LoRa's unique capability is rapid response requiring minimal preparation, and the missile launches from standard shipping containers, enabling deployment on naval vessels or land platforms. Israel exported LoRa to Azerbaijan, demonstrating international confidence. Strengths include rapid response capability, precision guidance, and containerized launch, while weaknesses are relatively short range and high cost per missile. Icebreaker Cruise Missile Israel development ongoing. Icebreaker represents Israel's most secretive long-range strike weapon, reportedly developed for standoff capability against Iranian nuclear facilities at ranges exceeding 1,550 miles. Reports suggest the missile carries a penetrating warhead designed to destroy deeply buried targets, with turbofan propulsion providing extended range and low-altitude terrain following flight. The missile allegedly incorporates advanced guidance combining inertial navigation, GPS, and potentially terminal seeker, and may carry Earth-penetrating munitions designed to destroy Iranian underground nuclear facilities. Strengths include extended range, low-altitude flight complicating interception, and potential penetrating warhead, while weaknesses are unconfirmed capabilities and extremely high costs. Smart munitions, precision kill. Spice 2000 Autonomous Precision Bomb Israel 2003 to present. Spice 2000 weighs 2,000 pounds with guidance combining GPS, inertial navigation, and electro-optical scene matching, allowing autonomous navigation to targets, even when GPS is jammed. The weapon glides up to 37 miles from high-altitude release, and the penetrating warhead destroys hardened targets, including underground bunkers. Spice 2000's unique capability is autonomous operation in GPS-denied environments using stored imagery to recognize targets. Israel employed Spice 2000 extensively against Hamas tunnels in Gaza, Hezbollah weapons depots in Lebanon, and Iranian facilities in Syria, demonstrating exceptional accuracy. Israel exports Spice variants to India and other nations. Strengths include autonomous guidance in GPS-denied environments, precision within several feet, and proven combat employment, while weaknesses are high cost and dependence on accurate pre-mission imagery. Unmanned systems, remote lethality. Harop, the loitering munition, Israel 2005 to present. Harop pioneered the kamikaze drone concept, combining surveillance and strike in a single platform. The drone weighs 300 pounds, carrying a 51-pound warhead with electric motor providing silent operation and endurance exceeding 6 hours. Harop incorporates anti-radiation seeker, allowing autonomous detection and engagement of enemy radar emissions, making it effective against air defense systems. Israel employed Harop against Syrian air defenses, and Azerbaijan's combat use during the 2020 Nagorno-Karabakh war demonstrated effectiveness with Swarm's overwhelming defenses. Strengths include loitering capability, anti-radiation seeker, relatively low cost, and proven combat effectiveness, while weaknesses are limited warhead size and vulnerability to electronic warfare. Heron TP, the Persistent Eye, Israel 2010 to present. Heron TP represents Israel's largest combat drone, with 85 feet wingspan and maximum takeoff weight exceeding 10,250 pounds, while endurance exceeding 36 hours allows persistent surveillance. The turboprop engine provides operational altitude up to 45,000 feet. The Heron TP carries up to 2,200 pounds of weapons, and satellite communications allow Israeli operators to control missions globally. Israel employed Heron TP extensively over Gaza, Lebanon, and Syria, and exports the system to India and Germany. Strengths include exceptional endurance, high payload capacity, satellite control, and proven combat effectiveness, while weaknesses are large size, making it vulnerable to sophisticated air defenses and cost exceeding $10 million. Test systems, validating defense. Blue Sparrow, the target simulator, Israel 2011 to present. Blue Sparrow represents Israel's ballistic missile target system used to test Arrow interceptors, simulating Iranian Shahab and Sejal ballistic missiles. The target missile uses solid rocket motors, providing ballistic trajectory and speeds comparable to actual threats. Blue Sparrow tests demonstrated Arrow system capabilities against realistic targets, validating the defensive architecture. The existence of sophisticated target systems demonstrates Israel's methodical approach to air defense development. Strengths include realistic simulation allowing valid testing and contribution to Arrow system development, while weaknesses are extremely high cost per test and limited test frequency. Conclusion: Israel's arsenal demonstrates that small nations facing existential threats can develop world-leading military technology.